Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install add-ons on KODI. KODI automatically blocks you from downloading add-ons from external sources. Many add-ons are made by third parties, so you will need to disable the security feature before proceeding. After you open KODI, click the settings icon from the panel on the left. Then, select System from the options. Next, click Add-ons from the left panel and toggle the switch. Click Yes when prompted. You will need to add sources before you can continue installing add-ons on KODI. Now click the settings icon, then select File Manager. Click Add Source. Click None on the pop-up. Now enter the source URL for your add-on. Return to the KODI home screen and select Add-ons. After that, select Install from the zip file. Select the crew from the left panel. Choose the repository you want from the dialog box that opens and clicks OK. Select Install for the repository. Select Crew from the pop-up box. Save it to Video Add-ons, then click on Install. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.